Footy Styles and welcome back to my channel. So today is a bit different, okay? Like, trust me, it's a very different video. I have a guest on my channel. Anyway, so let me welcome my guest. And he's here. Introduce yourself.
Hi everybody, my name is Martin Ntlele. Those who can't pronounce the last name, just stick to Martin Jr. I'm a model, singer.
Model ladies. He's single. I put him in the friend zone, I'm sorry.
Plenty other fish in the sea, but I know they're there.
Ladies, he can sing, like he can sweep you off your feet. You know, if a dude can sing to you on Valentine's Day,
forget the roses, forget the chocolates, but if a guy can sing, oh no, that's your guy right there. That's your guy.
This guy right here. So you're gonna sing for us?
Do you want me to sing for you guys?
The people are waiting. Sing for us,
just a few words though, right? Okay. I'm sure you guys don't mind it. Just a few words. Different in my own way. Rose gold, baby, on my... Not too many editors like me. No, you cannot wine or dime me. Guess I'm just a sucker for independent mama drama. I'm nothing like what you had. If you can give it, I'm gone. Promise to love you particularly, just to the way you need. Put your heart in a special place. Show colors all the way. Baby, baby, baby. Different in my own way. Different in my own way.
Because I feel like Footy Styles is different in our own way.
Exactly. Why do you think I chose the song in the first place?
Wow.
For those of you that don't know the song, we'll write the artist and the song right there in the description
down below. Yeah. So if you guys like this video, let us know. Give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. 100 subscribers, milestone.
Almost there, people. Almost there.
No, we there.
Black Coffee and Enhle Mbali.
So Black Coffee, if you didn't know, he's a DJ. If you don't know what he does, like just dig a hole, get yourself in there, and just bury yourself. If you didn't know, the wife is an actress. As you guys can see, they're looking all casual.
Yeah, I've got that studio look. And they look dope with the red and the white, and I'm sure they wore that at a price. But be warned, very difficult to pull off a white shirt. Maybe that'll be the next video, how to pull up white at a brand. You never know. They were at the BET Awards 2016.
Ooh,
it was dope, like with the gray suit. That was nice. That was slick.
Cream, cream white.
And I love how he put he didn't wear formal shoes. He wore like the boots, and that really put the look in there.
It's a nice look.
Beautiful though.
She's gorgeous.
The BET Awards where he won.
With the green suit. But the wife first,
okay.
She's, with gold and, some sequins going on. It's really nice. It complements the green. Black coffee and green?
Yeah, because it's like black and it wasn't like those light greens though. It was like those dark.
Like in the jungle.
Funny part, like when Jadena went there to shake his hand. Black Coffee's got the award in one hand. No disrespect to Black Coffee, but you guys know the dead hand. Couldn't award in one hand. I was like, what do you expect me to do?
You had to put it in.
I'm sorry.
Ricky and the wife. The wife, I don't know much about her, but I know.
What's her name though?
I don't know about her. We tried to find her on Instagram. We couldn't find anything. She doesn't even go to some of the events that Ricky is at, but she's pretty.
Very no
gorgeous.
Instagram, no Twitter, Facebook. We tried all the social media accounts. Nothing popped up. But if you know, please write down the comment right there.
Yeah.
Just scroll down and go who ex-wife's name is.
Yeah. Yeah.
But they look dope,
family pictures, nice, with the off-the-shoulder shirts.
Stay shining.
In the music video.
Epic,
family vibes.
Family values.
Yes. The album.
That's a pun right there for those.
And I like how she just, tied a nice.
Yeah, it's simple. Black Coffee's got that old school,
Did you just say Black Coffee?
I'm sorry, Ricardo, please forgive me. I apologize. Words that came out of my mouth were not expected to come out of my mouth.
Kesto is killing it.
Yeah.
I actually went there and I have a vlog about that, so I'll put on the description down below the link so you guys can check it out.
Wiki Rick, you guys know Gucci all the way.
All the way,
Gucci, I know we're talking about couples, but that's something. I'd buy that hoodie for my son.
So the wife is wearing like, I think black sweats or jeans.
Yeah.
I don't know. I can't see clearly, but she's like killing that street style with the t-shirt. Yeah. She's rocking the Jordans.
Yeah.
The cap and the beanie though. From Ricky, like Ricky can just throw it sometimes.
But it works though.
I love the suits. I love the suit. The suit. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. He matched it well with the waistcoat and the pants. Like that was really proper.
And the wife obviously looking beautiful. I like how she did the whole lace and
it's like a schoolgirl type of a thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but it's like more chic and
more. Maps and Nomzamo.
We know they're not sure they're a couple or whatever.
Oh, should we say allegedly?
Allegedly. But we love them.
Yeah.
And when they're together, they just kill it. They are the
Metro Awards. Maps is like got that slick tailored look as usual. That suit tie with the slim tie. Excellent.
That's it. It doesn't have like do you not have the picture with like the? I need to find it.
Stop lying.
I'm serious. I went to I was in the fashion show, right?
Lying.
No, it's fine. I'll find that picture and I will show you guys.
And she won't because it does not exist.
The boobs, girl. The twins are like, hello. I feel like a white dress with just like, traditional bag matches the belt. Later.
Yeah, simple yet elegant.
Ooh, stripes.
Who said stripes?
Can't work all together. Top to bottom.
No man.
Blazer.
No man. And it's cool how he matched with the stripes and then the different
diagonal. So that's pretty cool. And the colors.
Yeah. What's nice about this picture is that he's wearing like gray, white, and all the other colors. And then she's wearing yellow and it doesn't even clash.
It doesn't. It's like a nice pop of color to his life.
You know what I mean?
I'm sure they can. I'm
like
really sure they can.
Maps in my jeans, man. Like maps.
This cape though, I need a cape. I need a pink cape. If anyone can just make me a cape.
That's African. Like this is the part where the song African Queen by Taxi would bring right now. Guys, they were at a wedding. I don't know whose wedding they were.
But they look really nice.
Yeah,
but they look like they're going to matric dance. It's not.
If that's a matric dance look, that's the best dressed couple in the entire high school history.
From King and Queen?
From Emperor and Empress. Okay. DNA, for those who don't know what DNA stands for. Dash and Ayanda.
Oh my goodness.
Woo! Yes.
The sunmates and I love how like Dash went like African.
Yeah.
And then Ayanda went like all Western.
Yeah, like
at lace.
Like an East meets West type of look, you know what I mean? The waistcoat.
Hair. Ayanda's hair looks.
Note, guys, this is how you color block. Right here with the yellow and the red and the blue. This is exactly how you color block. Yeah,
we'll have to see.
My hair has to be cut a little like
in the Woolworths campaign. Yeah, and he's rocking sneakers with a suit.
If you don't know, you can rock your All Stars with the black and white suit. That's not bad at all.
I'm the better stylist. That's why Pootie styles. I know style. I'm just smart.
Here they were in Cape Town. Here they were in Cape Town. I know they were at the holiday or something. Those costing like what do you think?
Casual look, and she got braids.
And it's nice with the shirt that Dash did and the pants, the blue and white, because Castle Light with the blue and the Castle Light and the blue. This is probably, I know they're not number one, but trust me, number one. There's a reason why number one is number one. But this picture right here. When we didn't have MTV Base, there was SABC One. Then that song comes on, Nelly with that bandage there. You would ask yourself, Kante, who hit me?
Wait, what was the song kind of?
Dilemma. Love you, I do. That's not true.
Oh my God. Kelly, I am not gifted musically. Woo!
Solo and Dinell Moeketsi.
Just went like white suit, no shirt on. I'm gonna show I got the guns.
No, rappers can pull off the no tattoos.
But for some reason, I'm getting a Wiz Khalifa type of
vibe with him.
on this outfit.
Oh, okay. Because like dinero though.
Dinero with the jumpsuit, like, but it looks like a dress.
And then it has those feathery type things with the, it accentuates her body, like it really accentuates.
This is a very iconic look. Like this is amazing.
This is a real rapper
the
and girlfriend
on
type
her
look.
boobs. Guys,
proper.
Dinero took a risk with the like overlaid material and like this lace where you can see some of her leg showing up there. So it's a very nice.
And the red, it goes well with the.
This is maroon. It's not red.
How much you wanna bet she picked out the place to like Babe Born like? This is where we're gonna take a photo, babe. Like, okay, paparazzi, pause. Okay, go.
Take a picture.
Oh yeah.
Garden.
I smell like a garden.
Ooh, they look like a garden. They look like a
with the flowers and everything.
Garden.
A normal person would think that they did too much.
But they hit like right on the spot.
On the nail.
Right on the spot. Because I know a lot of guys wouldn't go floral.
Not a lot of guys can pull it off. That's the thing.
You know. So this couple is basically our number one because they take risks. Like they really go out there.
Yeah, they really push the boundaries when it comes to style, fashion, clothing. And what I like about Sulu's clothes, most of his clothes are tailored to him. The tip for you guys out there, when Wiz Khalifa was talking about Taylor Gang, Taylor Gang.
Yeah, so if you're a guy, you can buy a suit at a normal store, but then get it tailored to your fit. Like it must like fit you perfectly. And the legs. If you ever like went to a wedding and the groom is wearing like pants that are just like rouged up. 2018. That gotta go. We gotta leave that behind in 2005.
Are there still people out there that wear bootleg? Be honest. If you wear bootleg, just expose yourself.
Down below.
Comment. Don't be scared. We won't say nothing.
Of course we're gonna say something. So I think that wraps it up. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I'll put Martin's Instagram so you guys, the ladies, can throw in the DMs. And I know you guys are wondering, hey, did you film your hair video? I am in the process of filming that, so I will be showing you guys how I got this look. So stay tuned for next week's video. Bye guys.
So we love y'all.
Yeah.